What I forgot to teach you is the Samoan greeting words or words. When somebody's greets you, or they're saying hello or hi, which is more an American thing, you just say talofa or talofa lava. Some people it's easier just to repeat what they say, and in a handshake or a hug, but that is Samoan tradition. There's always hugs. Uh, One thing about I love about the Samoan culture is that we love to laugh. Yes, we love to eat too. I mean, I do. I don't know about the Samoans, but I do. And we love to tell our stories, our funny stories, that is, and we like to have a good time. Um, Another one that I wanted to teach you is when you ask someone if they're hungry, uh, and how you say that, o if you I, or which is a more respectful way, o if you tausami. Just remember that. I will write it out on the bottom of the video, not the bottom of the video, but in the description box, I will write out the how you spell out these Samoan words. Another one, the way you would spell is ioe, meaning yes, otefia ai. So that's the correct way of responding. Because remember, like I said before, you never use respectful words when it comes to yourself in the Samoan culture. To them, to a lot of people, it's rude. They think it's, well, yeah. And then the other thing is, the beautiful thing about the Samoan culture is that you're not supposed to put yourself above others. And teaches us humility, I think. So that's the Fa Samoa way, the true Fa Samoa way. People say this and that, and we're really not supposed to be teaching people bad words because in the Samoan culture, it's not a nice thing to do. I don't know now as people are so into that stuff, but before, it's not a good thing. It disrespects our language, our beautiful language and stuff like that, and I don't like that. So I will not teach you any bad Samoan words. Okay?